So, well, now that you are finished with the setup of Windows, I'll tell you a little bit what we're going to do with the machine, and hopefully everything will go smoothly. So this machine comes with a version of Microsoft Office that's 365. Sadly, we want to remove this version and install a new one that is on your memory stick. Then we will do something with the Windows features. We are installing a VPN. We are installing the new version of Microsoft Office, Firefox, Thunderbird, FileMaker, and Shortkeys. And finally, we're going to create a user with your name, which is the same that you have in the Office at work. And we'll do the final setups. So the very first thing we do is you now get your memory stick, put it in the machine, and copy the two files, two folders. That's one is software, the other one in introduction or instructions, I believe. And you copy them on the documents of the computer. At that point, we will. I'll give you the time and we'll see you at that point. So anyway, I'll just show you how to do it. The memory stick slot is on the right of the tablet on the machine. And if it won't open by itself, so you go down the bottom, there is a folder of Windows. And here you select USB disk, and you copy these two folders, 1 and 2. You may do Ctrl+C over these, and documents. You select documents. I already have copied them here. Anyway, pretend that they don't exist, and they will copy over the documents. So I'll pause this. I'll see you once the files have been all copied. So at this point, you may want to remove the memory stick. First, you close the window where you have saved it, and then I can show you straight from here, but you go where there is a little sort of arrow point up, and you select the symbol of the memory stick, and it will say safely remove hardware and eject media. You do a right click over it and eject USB flash drive. This little window safe to remove hardware, it will appear, and you remove your memory stick. So the next step we need to do is to remove Office 365. And what you do is you click on the bottom corner on the left. There is the start symbol. You click over it, and then you click on the symbol, little wheel settings. You click on that one, and eventually you select apps, and you'll see a bunch of apps below that on in front of you. You go down and you start selecting the first of these apps. Let's say I'll take another one, the German one. You click on install, and then you click yes, and this is installieren. So you'll do this process for all the Microsoft 365, all versions, except for Sarah, who speaks Arabic, I believe, or Persian. The Arabic version will have the yes and no inverted. So if you usually click yes to confirm, this time you click right to confirm. So once you have uninstalled all these Microsoft 365, the best thing you can do is to restart your machine. and we will meet from there. So now that you guys are done with installing all these Office 365, we'll do a small settings that is the turn on Windows features. The best thing you guys can do is we close all these Windows 365, and you click on the lens that's on the bottom of the screen, and where there's type here to search. The best thing you can do to make it really quick, you type turn on Windows features on off. As you can see, you click there, and then please wait. So let me cancel it because I guess this was supposed to be completed still. So again, we go on the type here search. As I said, we'll do this turn on Windows features. Windows features on off. So we click here and hopefully will open, unless this is somehow not working with the current, with this recording. There's something funny, but you should be seeing something opening up. And eventually we need to activate these features, and it seems it's not working. So I will pause the registration and let me see what's going on. No, perfect. Now that you guys see, it came up. So now you see this, you want to select this very first little button and click OK. And I hope the computer is recording this, but I think it will. So you register, you will finish the installation, and I'm not sure I may even ask for the computer to be restarted, which does make sense. So I'll pause until we get to the end of this. So you'll get to this window and you'll get let window update the loaded files for you. Of course, we were already connected through the Wi-Fi, so the machine is able to download. I'll pause it again. So after downloaded the necessary parts of the software, it says applying change. So the machine is working, is doing exactly what we want it to do. So if you're here, don't get worried, you're fine. Let me pause it back. So as the machine say, the restart now, yes, we do want to restart it now. So I guess I will also save this registration, this recording, and now we start a new one once I click restart.